Hi, this is Jason Touche from Oklahoma City International Church of Christ. I did want to just show everyone something that I think really shows God's power. If you can look through here right now, this is a house next to one of our members, and that bathroom right there, if you can see, just for, looking around here, that bathroom right there was actually left untouched. And what's amazing about that is that the gal that was in there, that was the place where her and her small son took refuge from the tornado, and they were actually totally fine. They survived, and this neighborhood, as you'll see as we walk out, this neighborhood actually took a direct hit from the tornado, but they were totally fine. It just shows God's power. If you look across the street right there, or across the field, you'll see Plaza Towers Elementary School with the Moore water tower in the background. But this complete devastation out here, this was a total disaster. But you can see how God worked. There were many people that lost their lives, but we're really grateful that more people didn't. And if you look across here, out across this landscape, it's amazing that the people that survived did survive. And we definitely, anybody that hears this, watches this video, we would definitely love to have your support. The best way to support us at this time would be to go to hopewww.org. That's HOPEWW.org, and leave donations out there for Hope's disaster relief effort, and we'll definitely be able to distribute that as needed. But we're so grateful for all your help. Please pray for our town. Please pray for our church as we continue to help everyone that we can. Thank you. God bless.